Hi, I'm Andrew Motiwalla, the founder of The Good Life Abroad. If you're like me, you may have dreamt of living abroad, or maybe you've already lived overseas. Either way, you know there's a lot that goes into the process of living abroad. Well, fortunately, I have spent the past 30 years of my career working and living around the world. Today, I'm excited to announce the launch of a new video series called Live Abroad with tips for me, Andrew. In this series, we'll explore the process of moving abroad, living abroad, integrating yourself into the local rhythm of life, tips and tricks for living like a local. Whether you've already moved abroad or you're still in the dreaming phase, I think we have something for everyone. Come with me on this journey of exploring the art of living abroad.